Hello everyone and welcome back to Hannah's Happy Home. So today's video is going to be an extreme clean with me. My house is extremely messy right now. So like before, I'm going to show you all the mess in the house before we get started cleaning, and then stay tuned until the end of the video and I will show you how clean the house looks afterwards. Okay, I'll start off here in the laundry room. I've got lots of laundry to fold, as you can see. There's also laundry in the dryer, and Owen took all of the shoes off the shoe rack. Thank you, Owen. He loves to make extra work for me. And then the kitchen is a disaster. I didn't clean it up last night, and so there's dishes from when I was baking yesterday and making supper and then breakfast this morning. A few dishes over here. There's some dishes on the table, and these shirts are hanging here drying because they're my husband's work shirts. Can't put them in the dryer because they shrink, so I just hang them up there. Over here, there's some clothes on the floor that I was gonna fold last night and then I forgot to fold them. There's some stuff on this countertop over here, a little bit of a mess here, and I've got the boys' car seats inside the door here because I want to deep clean those. I want to put this into the washer. And over here we've got pillows off the couch, books, and toys everywhere. Whoa! So they have made a pretty giant mess here that they're gonna help me clean up later, but it is just toys, so it's not a big deal. So in my bedroom, all I gotta do is put some clothes away, make my bed. I need to clean up my bathroom. And then lastly, I'll clean up Owen's room / their playroom. And this room, surprisingly, is not that bad. Usually when I film these extreme clean with me's, this room is a disaster, but it's not that bad today. We've just got clothes up here. They dumped some books back behind there. I need to change the sheets. And all of the cleaning products that I will be using in today's video are from the Grove Collaborative website, and you can still get this holiday set from them for free with my link down below. I'll have all of the details down there. So now let's get started cleaning this house up, and make sure you stay tuned until the end of the video to see how clean the house looks afterwards. Okay, so I'm finally done cleaning up the house. Here is what it looks like now. Here's the laundry room. And now here is what the kitchen is looking like, all nice and spotless clean. Over here is looking much better, and now my floors are all nice and shiny clean. And walking over here, it's looking much cleaner as well. And over into the living room area, we did leave a few of Kyle's toys out because he said that he wanted to play with them when he came back inside. And here in my bedroom, I got those clothes put away and my bed made. And Kyle helped me to make his bed in here. And their playroom / Owen's room is clean as well, except right after I cleaned it up, Owen got all these toys out again, but it's okay. And he just woke up from his nap, so he is ready to go eat some lunch. I am very tired after all of that cleaning, but it was worth it. It feels so nice to have the house all spotless clean. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell for post notifications. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.